Buckle up, everyone. This is going to be a long but entertaining vlog of my experience going to El Yunque Rainforest in Puerto Rico near Luquillo. We booked this tour through a website. They provided transportation from our hotel to the forest and back to the hotel. So this is just clips from us driving once they picked us up. We stopped at La Frutera, which is like a little restaurant stand before you get to the forest, and it offers a bunch of different lunch and snack options like empanadas and smoothies, fresh fruit. It was all very good. I got me some empanadas. We took a couple of pictures, and then we basically had to board back on the bus. We spent a total of 25 minutes at this location, and then we drove for about 10 more minutes, and then we were at the entrance to the forest. The entrance that we used is basically by someone's house. So you just have to walk for a little bit, you know, like on the sidewalk, and then you walk down the side and they start explaining different flora and fauna to you.
Okay, over here we got banana, but up there we got plantain. They are very similar. The only difference is going to be the berry. I know this because a few months ago I saw the banana over here and the plantain over there, but without the fruit it's very difficult to notice the difference. Up there, behind you to your left, you're going to see a mango tree. Mangoes, they are from Cuba, Dominican Republic, and Colombia.
So we start our descent down to our first stop along the river where there will be the bigger waterfall slide. This descent down was not bad. They had a rope, you know, you can hold on to. It was a little wet, but not too slippery. It honestly was not very bad. We walked for, I don't know, maybe another 10 minutes until we actually reached the spot. And once we got there, it was so gorgeous. So just keep watching and you will see once we reach the first waterfall. You know, if you fall back before
We join on the picture? We're gonna laugh with you.
Not yet. I'm just getting panoramic. Like you out, like you got it, you got it.
Yeah, I live in mud with my first name until I changed it. Huh? It still has the same meaning.
But it's worth the drink at the end, right?
Yeah. Sorry to keep that from the video.
Yeah? So far.
Break the rocks. Don't break that rope.
Good buddy.
There you go.
want to do the big water slide, that's okay. You can lay down over here in the river, very shallow over here. If you want to do the big water slide, follow me. I'm going to give you the instructions on how to do it properly, okay? It's safe, it's secure, okay? If you want to do the big water slide, no hat, no sunglasses, and be careful with loose jewelry, okay? You can place it over here in this area, it's going to be safe.
Believe in anything?
I don't have I'm gonna go in.
Where's my party?
The last feet supposed to go in there?
The resin out multiple class.
Survivor, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Ooh, that is so cool. Oh my god. Be careful, babe. It's a rock right here.
There you go. Yeah, she got the GoPro with her. Yeah. Uh-oh, don't go too far.
Okay, okay.
Be careful over here, there's a lot of moss, okay?
A lot of moss slippery.
I got you.
Keep holding that rock over there. Hey, keep holding the rock. Go down here. It's gonna be very slippery.
Go down here?
Yeah, put your feet over there, but keep holding the rock. Okay? Find your grip over there. There you go, you got it. Climb up over here. There you go.
Ay, ay. Wow.
It's fun.
Yeah. Go next. You can go. Whoa.
Guys, you guys see all of this right here?
Yeah.
Try not to step on this. Come over here, sit down, and then stand up over here, okay? Just sit right there. Sit down there. Put your legs that way, you're gonna sit up, alright? Stand up.
There you go, you got it.
Lean forward, hands on your side, touching the rocks, and you're good.
Okay.
1, 2.
Wait. Oh, that way. Yeah.
Twisted.
Yeah. Here. Wait. you can still see me?
Yeah. Oh. We good?
Down this water slide. It doesn't hurt, but it's just very surprising whenever you do it. It's super slippery, so I see why it's called a water slide. But it's a very fun experience. I really recommend you guys do it. I think it was like $60 per person, including transportation with pickup from our hotel. And the walk, we wanted to do an easy one. Look at this one right here. So we did this easy one. It was literally like a foot up in the mountain, kind of behind somebody's house, and then there's a walk down with ropes and stuff. And you walk literally like 5 minutes, 10 minutes at most, and you get to a spot like this. And it is just super nice here. The water is the perfect temperature. He said normally it's 50. This is our guide. That's like his fourth time coming down, but I'm telling you, it's like super fun, super fun. You know, I would highly recommend this tour. I would highly recommend coming with this group. Our tour guide is great. He gave us more information on the flora and fauna of the rainforest in Yunque, and it's just super fun.
Going down later on.
This is the beginning.
So
Yo, how was the second trip? A lot easier. You didn't hurt yourself? Bang?
And we're like at the base of the Yunque, not all the way in it. And we just did the first water slide. Apparently that's the bigger of the two on this river. And the experience was great, super slippery. I see why they call it a slide. But I had a great experience. The water temperature is great out here. The weather is also great. It's not raining. After leaving our first spot, we started to travel to go to our second spot, which is where the cliff jumping was going to be. So at first, while we're walking, you know, I'm like, it's not that bad. It seems pretty easy terrain to navigate. But then very shortly, you'll see where it starts to get way muddier, and there's lots of branches, lots of slipping going on. It was a very interesting time walking to the second place. Need some pictures like that. I'm recording. It's sweat resistant, so I don't know.
You mean to tell me this the only trail?
Sorry. Do we have to come back the same way? I know.
I know there's another trail.
It's slippery.
Take your time, baby, please.
No, hell no. He lied.
Where Raquel is now? In the back, but now we got to go around a big ass boat.
Where is she?
Right there.
Okay, don't worry about me. I'm here too, though. We're keeping up the fluff.
Yeah, that's why I'm checking.
Tarzan.
Oh, there you go.
I'm watching you, dude. You get to the bottom of the rock.
Well, this part he said use the rope.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, this shit crazy. Yeah. You gotta come back up here. This shit good.
Ay, Dios mío.
That's the better rope.
Got it? I think it works.
Like, wait for everybody to come back. Real shit.
You're welcome.
Hey. Who ran it? Alley's worse than this, gang. I'm a fellow man. Hey, Mike, that's street shit, not jungle shit. Oh, no.
Tell you what, there better be an escalator or something to go back up. I don't know how I did that.
Thank you.
Yeah, unless you guys want to rock climb.
I don't mind, yeah.
With those type of shoes that you've been swimming with, I don't think you're going to like the rock.
Maybe I gotta go barefoot, right? Where I was born.
So here we've basically reached our second location where they have the baby water slide and the cliff jumping. I wasn't really trying to do the cliff jumping because I've worked in a neuro ICU and I've seen some things. And I'm not trying to jump and then I jump 1 millimeter to the wrong direction and hit my head on a rock. So I let everyone else or the people who did it enjoy that, and I just watched while wading in the water. This location was super pretty. I just really love the rocks and the little pools and the waterfall and the current. It was all just very beautiful.
She looking like she got
And make sure that you
Oh, you did it! I'm scared. Ooh, it's cool. Oh my god. How was it?
Don't go back there because we fell back there.
Hey, Cleo B, don't go back there. I'll probably learn my lesson.
Yeah.
Don't go over there. Don't go over there.
It's raining.
Hey, everybody! Gather your stuff and let's go back to the bus so we can go to the beach area, okay?
Yeah. I'm good on jumping.
stand up.
Rain.
Go, you're right here. White leaves. Boom.
We made it safely out of the forest. It was so fun.
All right, y'all, I gotta fix my hair. It's
Everything,
messed up now.
but that hike back, I felt like I was in what's that scary movie? The ravine or something like that. It was a treacherous walk back. Treacherous. This is kiosk 38 in Luquillo Beach, and I got the mofongo. My food was good. After we finished eating, we walked to the backside to the actual beach, and it was raining on and off, but I mean, that didn't stop us because we were already wet from the rainforest. So we just enjoyed our time on the beach. I think they gave us a total of 2 hours there, and then after that, we got back on the bus, and they dropped us back off at our designated locations. Overall, it was a wonderful trip. I highly recommend. It was only $60 per person, and I really think it's something that everyone who goes there should try at least once. Thanks for watching.